Hello programmers, I am Rushikesh. Welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you the C++ implementation for computation of the range sum query using the prefix sum array. So here is the C++ code implementation. So the initial lines are for the header includes, and then I have defined a class called prefix sum array, and in this class I have a vector of integers v which contains the values for prefix sums. Here is the constructor. So the constructor takes input of vector of integer values which contains the values of the original array for which we want to determine the range sum queries. So the size of the prefix sum array v is equal to the size of the input array iv, and if size is less than or equal to 0, then we do nothing, we just return. Otherwise we construct the prefix sum array here. So the first element is always equal to the element of the original array, and then second element onwards the computation is done inside the for loop. So this is vi equal to vi minus 1 plus ivi. So in this way, in a iteration, all the values of the prefix sum array elements are computed. Now this class has one function called range sum query, and the inputs to this function are the two values, integer values, left and right range LR. So given the range, it computes the sum of the range and returns it. So the computation is done in constant time using the prefix array. So initial value, we fetch the value in the prefix sum array at R location, and if L is greater than 0, then we subtract the value at L minus 1 in the prefix sum array, and then we return that. So this is the implementation of the class for prefix sum array. Now here in the main function, I have demonstrated the usage of prefix sum array. So let's consider an example of the array from 1 to 8. So v, a vector of integers v, is defined with elements 1 to 8, and then I have created an object of prefix sum array using this v vector. Now I am going to perform three queries for prefix sum array, three queries for range sum. So each query I am storing it in pair of integers, and three such queries I am defining. So first pair is 3 to 5. So I want to determine the range from range sum from 3 to 5 inclusive. Second is 1 to 4. Third is 0 to 7. So for each query I am iterating, and then I am calling the range sum query and passing the appropriate inputs and printing outputting the result finally. So let's execute this. So this produces the output as the sum of the range from 3 to 5 is 15, from 1 to 4 is 14, from 0 to 7 is 36, which is correct. We can verify. You can verify the values. Now this C++ code implementation I kept in my GitHub repository, which I am going to show you now. This is my GitHub repository, rushikdm. Under that I have a data structures and algorithms, and under that I have kept prefix sum array.cpp file. So this is the same implementation, same code that I have shown you just now. So like this, the range sum query can be easily implemented using prefix sum arrays. It is hardly very few lines of code. I know that some people don't create a separate class, they simply have a separate array, and using that array only they manipulate and determine the range sum queries. But here, just for the sake of demonstration and for keeping the things separate, I have created a separate class. So it is as per your choice. Yeah, thanks for watching.